Alright, well, the first video I recorded was pretty uneventful. I'm going to show you what I tried: a bathroom socket, and I tried a couple of normal sockets, and they all came out with the same reading. And we'll plug this in briefly. Put it in there nice and secure. Come on. Nice and secure, yeah. So, it's in there nice and secure. It's holding steady at about 119.3, 119.4. You saw when it was over there, it was 119.2. Oh, it was at 119.5 for a second, and maybe that's because it's not some super secure. 119.5 it's at now. So, we have it set to alternating current. Now, I've tried the other things. Amperage doesn't show anything. Obviously, when it's on DC voltage, it doesn't show anything. When it's on hertz, it shows something like a frequency range. It shows 0.05, I believe it was. But even though I lost that video, I have to re-record it because I want to show you something I found that is interesting. I played around with it a little bit. When one of the leads is connected to the unfused with the 20 amp max, the fuse shows nothing up. But when I connected this, the unfused, well, let's start by turning on this light, which is connected, as you can tell by that blue light. Everyone, I'm going to pause the video, venture a guess. What do you think is going to happen when I turn this on? What will happen? Will I get a different read-in? Will something more eventful happen? Make a guess now. Alright. Ready to see? What the heck? Why am I not getting the same event that happened? Everyone, hold on. Something's fishy here. When I originally did this, it actually caused a circuit to blow. I'd really love to reproduce that result. Maybe it was fuse. No, fuse is actually showing less than 10. Less than 12. Was that just a freak accident? There it is. No, you had to be connected to COM. COM and unfused. Silly me, the COM is supposed to stay to COM. And then... So, oh, sorry. I don't know how many times I did that. I actually had the wires wrong after that, but yeah, that's what happened. So if you come over here to my fuse box, this fuse box is for the upstairs. We have two in my house. You can actually tell that the light is off now. Game room, that's what we call our rec room. Doesn't go back on. I have to turn it off all the way first, actually. What the? Let's try removing these maybe. It worked last time. There it goes. Interesting. So, and just to double check something, because I think I did the video wrong. That's unfused. So if I have all the measurements that I've been doing, I originally had this red lead here on the voltage. Just to prove that it has to be the unfused one, I will turn this on. Securely put these measurements, and I'll actually show it because I don't think I've shown it yet. Put it in there. Get it? Yeah, there we go. Show you that that unlike the unfused one, fused just shows 0. And then to prove, put the red lead back into the voltage, and we will. Yeah, so I just moved the first lead. I just moved the wrong lead. Right, so that's the eventful thing that I wanted to show. I did not think that this digital multimeter was going to be able to blow a fuse in my house, but it actually can. And just for some fun, I'll for 3 minutes I'll try a couple different things because I lost my last video. So let's go into the bathroom. This says it's a GFCI protected outlet. Let's go ahead and unplug one of these shavers. Securely plug in. That's one, and that's the other. Good news about these is they seem to be more secure. Getting 190, and one of them drops out as I say that. Get up there. Yeah, you stay right there. Went from 119.5 to 119.4. Oh, so different a little. So I thought these were 12 volt, but actually measuring 118. I'll have to ask Randy about that, why this is showing up as 119.4. Okay, this one doesn't want to stay in. Do this real quick. If you go to 1.7, it just gets you a less accurate read-in because it doesn't include a decimal point. And if you go to 20, that's on this one, that's the equivalent to the other one, read-in OL. So let's see. Let's take these out. So I've shown one normal one. I've shown one GCI. That one doesn't have the test circuit. So for that reason, I do want to go back down to the other bathroom downstairs, which actually reads the same thing. In the last video, I tested that circuit. It came out, of course, to the same thing. Using that quick. You can see this one has the actual test buttons. Getting 19.5, 119.6. Get those out. There's one other circuit. I'm kind of curious. And here in the kitchen, we actually have another one of those. Yeah, I'm not going to bother 10 minutes. That's a good long video.